Hello students, class 10, welcome in SST class. Today economics first chapter development. I will going to start remaining portion from here. Country which rich and poor. Here look at, means some countries having poor persons and some countries having rich persons due to overpopulation and due to number of people on that country. Okay, because if resources will be only means very few in numbers or very less in quantity, that time country peoples unable to survive. And rich and poor, this inequality in society, economical inequality also can make people as, means some person, a few person who are earning much more, having much more resources, having much more ideas for earning more, and some people have no idea how to earn more. In this condition, peoples may be rich and poor in country, and their per capita income also will be affected by this. Okay, so we have to maintain. Next headline is income and other criteria. Look from here, income and other criteria means not only income, another things also very important for it and be responsible for it. And when we looked individual, you know, distribution of their income and everything, then we will know what is the condition of particular state or country. For example, given in table number 1.3. In this table given, means if in society, means we will survey, then we will see their average income, not only everything but also have goals such as security, respect of others, equal treatment, freedom, everything in mind. Similarly, when we think of nation or a region, okay, and that time it's maybe besides average income, per capita income, means average income also called per capita income. और ये आता कैसे है, टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉपुलेशन एंड टोटल इनकम व्हेन वी विल डिवाइड देन इट विल गेट. ओके, जब हम पूरी जनसंख्या में जितना वहाँ का उनका अर्निंग है पूरे साल का, उसमें भाग देंगे तो एवरेज इनकम और पर कैपिटा इनकम आता है. इसमें 2013 और 2012 और 13 का दिया हुआ है टेबल में. ओके, दे हैव टेकन 3 स्टेट्स, महाराष्ट्र, केरला एंड बिहार. वाट एवर दियर रेट ऑफ मॉर्टेलिटी, इन्फेंट मॉर्टेलिटी रेट, इन्फेंट मीन्स नवजात शिशु, मीन्स वहाँ पे पर 1000 कितने बच्चे पैदा होते हैं, तो उसमें से पर 1000 बच्चे अगर पैदा होते हैं तो कितने जो है बचपन में ही मर जाते हैं, और उनका लिटरेसी रेट क्या है, और वहाँ का नेट अटेंडेंस रेशियो क्या है. ओके, फर्स्ट आई विल डिस्कस व्हाट इज़ इन्फेंट मॉर्टेलिटी रेट. इन महाराष्ट्र per 1000 into per 1000 children 25 children be died. Okay, in Kerala 12 and in Bihar 43. So you can see the percentage of Bihar infant mortality rate is very high because they have lack of facilities and health care. Okay, so next one is literacy rate, मीन्स वहाँ के लोगों की साक्षरता दर क्या है. इन महाराष्ट्र पर 1082 एंड इन केरला 94% गिवन, नॉट 1000, 100 into 100, ओके, पर 100, एंड इन बिहार 62. सो वी कैन से दैट बिहार हैविंग आल्सो लेस एजुकेटेड persons, बिहार. ओके, and next one is showing that net attendance ratio, means per 100 persons Secondary stage means age 14 to 15. How many students have taken their admission but not attending their school? In Maharashtra 64, in Kerala 78, but in Bihar very less, only 35. Okay, only 35 students taking class and attending into 100. Okay, next one, table you can say per capita income. What is the per capita income of Maharashtra? Maharashtra per capita income 1,04,000 per year, per annum, per, you can say per annum, per person. And in Kerala 88,500. In Bihar only 27,200. So we can say that Bihar first means Maharashtra is more developed than Kerala and Bihar. It is according to survey of 14th and 15th, means 2014 and 15. It is the condition of that state's person. So in conclusion we can say that Maharashtra become developed than the Kerala and Bihar. Okay, because their average income is high than that. Next headline is public facilities. Look here, public facilities. It is very important component in development because money is your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that you may need to live well. जीने के लिए और बहुत अच्छे से रहने के लिए पैसा ही सब कुछ नहीं है. पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज़, एजुकेशन, हेल्थ केयर and sanitation, and pollution free atmosphere, medicines, everything also play very important role. Okay, so we can see on that same table the infant mortality rate of Kerala is less than Maharashtra and Bihar both. Why? Because they have education facility, health care and everything. So infant mortality rate was very less than the Maharashtra, and after that Bihar having much more infant mortality rate because they have neither health facility nor education and sanitation also. Students, means money cannot prevent the diseases, like you can say whatever is spreading by the this time, like coronavirus, means this type of diseases, infectious diseases cannot control by money. It have means much more work community take prevention steps and having good sanitation. Okay, so government in other facilities also we can measure for the development. If any state having much more literacy rate like Kerala and in less mortality rate of infant mortality rate, then we can say that Kerala is also in very good condition. Okay students, you have to read line to line this chapter till here, and I will explain in my next lecture remaining portion. Thank you class. Thank you.